Hello folks, welcome to another edition of UglyDogLures. Today we're going to do some more fall colors. We're going to be using Folk Art Pure Orange. This is Anita's and it's an acrylic paint and it's called Wine. If I can keep my wife out of it, we'll use it. And then we're going to use Deco Art Hauser Green. And you know what, ain't nothing like just jumping on in here and doing what we do. So let's get our paint mixed and go to it. So the first color we're going to be using is our orange, folks. Let's get us some, throw that in there, get a little bit, you know, do some more paint. You know how it is with me. I'm as easy as they come. So if y'all notice behind me, Bob got his own sign now. Bob's my fish, by the way. This is Bob. Bob's good fish. This is going to be a bright bait, folks. It's going to be bright and it's going to be different. Y'all know how I am. I like to do different stuff. So, I don't like to be like everybody else. Look at that. Just spitting right on out of there. Got right on my fingers, right on my brand new white paint table. I don't care. Look at there, folks. Thin that just a hair bit more, just a few drops. So folks, we celebrated our 26th wedding anniversary yesterday. We went out and had dinner and got orange paint all over our shirts, and we had a good time. I'm having all kinds of troubles today with this paint. Got too much to do. I have lots of orders that I got to get filled. So let's just get on started on this pretty little bait here. We're going to orange him up. I'm just going to paint this whole bait orange and then we'll start going over him with our other colors. Well, I got an order, folks, from a lady in Lubbock, Texas, to paint her a whole bunch of fishing lure Christmas ornaments. So I'm going to be seeing some of those on some videos. We're going to be getting those done. That's an orange right there, folks. Pretty color. Fall colors, you know. Oh, there's our orange on there, folks. We're done with that color. So I'm still trying to talk my wife into a new bass boat. Leave in the comments below if you think that your homie needs a new bass boat. I think he does. The one I want's only 70 grand. I promise her I'll give her one ride in it. She just keeps telling me no, 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 no. I think it's kind of mean that she'd do that to me. What you folks think? I've worked for 53 years to be able to do what I want to do. So there's our orange color on there, folks. Let's get us another cup over here. And now we're going to be having some wine. You stay over there. Just because I got wine out don't mean you can come bebopping across the damn room at me.
Talk about mean.
Well, this is a color I've never used, folks. I just run onto it yesterday. Actually, my wife run onto it. She said wine, and it went in the basket at Hobby Lobby. So I don't know if it was forced reaction from other things or whether she really likes the color. So I just have no clue, folks. I'm just clueless.
And I agree with that.
Really, folks, I give my wife a hard time, but I love her a lot. We've been married. We've been through hell on our marriage. I mean, I gotta beat the women off with a stick. Just kidding. I'd have to probably have a stick to get one of them to pay attention to me. But we got 2 beautiful children, and we've had a good marriage for the most part. Here comes the wine, folks. Be careful. Ooh. I'm not too sure about wine, folks. Yeah, we'll see how it looks when all is said and done. We're just going to take that down about that lateral line and quit there on this bait. And the more I look at it, the more I'll probably like it. So that's kind of the way I am. There's our wine on there. Does that look folly to y'all? It looks folly to my wife. So she told me I couldn't paint the belly red, but I'm going to paint it with wine. Just a little bit right up in that underneath side. Just like that right there. And that's all that I want. So we're not going to see a whole lot of this wine by the time I get done. But we'll be able to see some of it. Okay, there we go. We're through being winos.
Can you be through being whiny?
No. I've earned the right to be whiny. Because you won't buy me a new bass boat. It's alright, folks. If I want one, I'll just go get it. I don't really want one right now. Even though winter would be the best time to go buy it. We're going to get this lure dried up really good before we continue on with this paint. And our next color will be going towards our Hauser dark green. So we're going to do something a little different. So, my God, where's my blow dryer? I thought somebody stole it. Get our clips over here while that's sitting there drying. We can go ahead and mix our paint. We are going to put a scale pattern into this wine paint. I wanted to say maroon, but that's not quite maroon. So it's a nice color though. Ooh, that's going to be different. Never used that paint either. So, but it certainly don't hurt to try something new. Well, let's get her some clips out here and kind of start getting all that ready to go. New scale material right here. So this is what we're going to use on this bait. So she feels pretty dry now. So let's just get on it. And get that out the way, folks, so you can see what I'm doing.
Get over yourself. My gosh.
Oh, folks, if you have any interest in maybe purchasing an Ugly Dog t-shirt, we're officially going to start having those in the stock. It'll have the logo on the shirt, and then it will have underneath the logo Idfishit. they're coming. I don't know if the wife's ordered them yet or not, but it has been suggested. So. Well, I think we're in pretty good shape there. Now, so all we're going to do, folks, is I'm not going to scale the top of this bait. We're just going to scale down the sides and just a little bit through here, because I just want a faint hint of a scale on this bait. So that's going to be all you're going to be seeing. Well, I need to thin that just a hair more. It thickened up a little bit sitting there, huh? Didn't think it'd sit there that long. Guess that's what I get for thinking, ain't it? I almost reached down there and wiped that on my pants. I'd have been in trouble. That's what I'm telling you, folks. I just want a slight hint of a scale coming down that side. And I want to leave some maroon at the bottom. Or, excuse me, folks. I want to leave some wine down there. That's all I want, is just a faint hint. All I want right there. Something new, something different we're playing with. I'm not going to even heat set it. I'll pull it off and see. We're just going to have a faint hint of a scale in there, folks. Then I'm going to come down the back with solid green on the back of this bait, on the nose of this bait. Right in front of that eye. I want to leave the back side of that eye to wind. Very slowly darken that, and just come very kind of right off the side and fade it down, just like that right there. What do you think about that, folks? That's certainly different. Kind of a little fall bait. You can run in the fall, you know. I do know that I need to put another coat under the belly on the wine, which I can do that right quick like. So while that's drying good, I think that looks okay. So this here netting, folks, that we're using today, I haven't been able to find it in the stores, but I did find it on some wash rags, on the back side of the wash rags at the Dollar Tree. So I bought a bunch of them and just cut it out and just tried it out for a scale pattern. It worked okay. It's not bad at all. So here we go. Another something to play with. So let's mix us just a little bit of this wine back up and just make it just a hair darker under that chin, or that throat of that fish. Get this underneath with a little bit more of this wine. That looks better. So we're gonna let that dude dry up for a minute. We're gonna clean our brush. Then we're gonna epoxy, put some eyes on it, put a water slide on it before I forget and get my book tube. We're gonna get this brush cleaned up right quick while this is drying good, folks. And then we'll get some eyes and get a water slide put on him and epoxy, call it good. Idfishit. No doubt about it. Fall colors. I think it looks pretty awesome for a fall color.
Do I just pick the eyes?
You can pick whatever you want to. You can pick your nose, you can pick your butt, I don't care.
Gold.
Gold, I don't know if I have gold eyes in that size. But we shall see. I'm going to set that over here by old Bob, that fan blowing on it to let it dry. So gold eyes. There's some silvers. There's some crazy ass yellow things. Silver. Red. Saltwater deep. Gold eyes. There you go. I went in this week, folks. Went stupid. I ordered 1,284 new eyes this week. So, can't wait to get started on them. Yeah. Let's get some eyeballs put on this here fish. Well, I told me I didn't have no choice, that I had to use yellow or gold. Whatever color you want to call them. There's one. Pretty little eye on there. There's the other one. So it's all golded up now, folks. Right till we put the epoxy on it, it's going to shine, shine, shine. I'm just going to lay them over there out of my way. So, once again, I couldn't get no DevCon epoxy. They're back ordered. So I'm doing something today that I don't know that I really want to be doing. Found this at Hobby Lobby. Bob Smith. BSI. I don't know that I want to do this, folks. But, you know what, I'm going to. We're just going to see what we get when we're done. Good morning, folks. We're back. We got this lure in our autumn line. Finished up, dried up, took off the rack, hooked up. It's a 2.5 square bill. We got number 6 hooks on it. And there it is. All finished up. Remember, folks, to like, subscribe, and share to my channel. And anything you see me painting here can be purchased online at UglyDogLures.com. Y'all have a great day, and I'll catch you later. My fellow rednecks. Oh, I'm just kidding, folks. Hello, folks. Welcome to another.
Did you tickle yourself?